Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news. This is the economic news for the whole country for people to understand what is the status of economy today. Hence, it is useful for everybody. Kindly make sure that you share it with all your friends. Today we have lined up 7 news for you. News number 1, 4-day work week for Swiggy employees in the month of May. In order to promote the physical and mental well-being of employees who may be dealing with sick relatives and friends, Swiggy has implemented a 4-day work week in the month of May. Employees can decide which 4 days of the week they will work and inform the company. This has been done since, as per experts, the COVID cases are likely to rise further in May, and the 1-day break every week will give employees time to take rest and take care of the family. News number 2, advertisers want new deals as IPL viewership falls in 2021. TV viewership of this year's IPL has fallen 10% compared to last year. Since the advertisers don't have an exit clause with the broadcaster Star Sports, they are requesting to reduce advertising rates so that they can get extra airtime for their advertisements. Advertisers have paid 20% higher rate compared to last year's IPL. As per latest news, IPL 2021 has been postponed due to too many players reporting COVID positive. News number 3, automobile dealers expect extremely poor sales in May 2021. Around 45 to 50% of automobile showrooms are closed as of now due to the lockdowns in 9 major states. Even in the states which have not imposed lockdowns, walk-in customers have fallen by 35% for car showrooms and 75% for the two-wheeler showrooms. Automobile companies are expecting very negligible sales in May 2021 due to the COVID situation. News number 4, government decides to allow doctors preparing for postgraduate exams others to be put on COVID duty. Central government has decided to allow doctors preparing post-graduation entrance exams, final year medical students, BSc qualified nurses to put on COVID duty. In order to get more support and helping hands in the fight against COVID, the above decision has been taken. Currently, apart from oxygen and ICU bed shortage, India is facing shortage of medical personnel to treat patients. Many people have been requesting for details of our next 10 weeks Kannada online stock market workshop. To know more about it, please send one email successdigest@gmail.com, your name, mobile number and the subject interested in Kannada webinar. We will send a link for a webinar, introductory webinar that is happening on 9th May, Sunday, 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. News number 5, foreign investors sold shares in April 2021. Look at this tabular column. March 2021, foreign institutional investors invested 1,245 into Indian stock market. Domestic institutional investors invested 5,204 crores. April 2021, foreign institutional investors dumped and sold worth 12,692 crores. Domestic institutional investors purchased to the tune of 11,088 crores. Foreign institutional investors sold shares in April 2021. This was the largest month outflow since March 2020. However, domestic institutional investors pumped in money into the stock markets and cushioned the fall. News number 6, companies also setting up medical support for general public. Apart from many companies providing medical and financial support for their employees who are affected by COVID, many other companies such as Pepsi, Nestle, ITC are also setting up vaccination camps supplying oxygen for the general public. Flipkart is setting up an oxygen plant. ITC is setting up 200 to 300 bed treatment facility in Kolkata. Essar Group has set up a 100 bed COVID care center in Gujarat. This is apart from the efforts they have taken to help their own employees. News number 7 and the last news, today's stock market update. Thank you for watching the whole video, and if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like the video, press the like button. If the video is useful, type useful in the comment box. And this video is useful for everybody. Kindly send it to all your friends in WhatsApp broadcast so that they too will watch and observe the economy of the country. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.